Oh, howdy all. It's me, you snackhead cowboy. You just caught me having some self-isolation time. But whilst you're here, why don't we check out this? It's a 24-hour ration pack. Let's go open her up and see what's inside. Follow me. So, here it is. MOD authorised use only. So, yeah, the thing is, I don't think I'm going to name the name of the guy who gave me this, because there's lots of warnings on the side here that it's a criminal offence to actually open this if you're not in the military. So I won't name the names, just in case, you know, ain't no grass, basically. So yeah, let's open it up and have a look. It's a 24-hour ration pack for the British military army. Let's have a look what's inside. So this is all your got tissues, they could come in handy. Creamer, tea bags, chewing gum, looks like some sugar. So basically guys, if you're watching this in the future, filming this as of a worldwide pandemic, basically. It's the coronavirus, it's spreading out, people are they've been told by the government to stay indoors. Don't really leave the house unless it's necessary. Lots of people working from home. Lots of pubs shut. Scary, scary times. So, you know, what better time to open this up, eh? So let's take a look what we got inside. Cola drink powder. 2 of those. Raspberry drink powder. Instant hot chocolate. Nice, nice. Any more drinks here? We got isotonic flavour powder lemon. Just fruit. Just fruit. Smooth peanut butter. Lots of goodies in here. Wow, this is heavy. Blackfriars original flapjack. Nice breakfast maybe. What's this? Chicken, sausage and beans. Chicken sausages and haricot beans in tomato sauce. Very nice. Thai style chicken soup, a mildly spiced soup with coconut chicken and brown rice. Sounds good. Lovely stuff. Oh, now this sounds good. Steak, vegetables and dumplings. Wow, bit of steak. I've not had steak in a long time. Looking forward to that one. What else we got in here? Fruit biscuits, fruit. Date and strawberry fruit bar. Sesame seed bars. This cute little bottle of Tabasco. Some cute looking pink matches. Yeah, and that's it guys. And just some papers. 24-hour operational ration pack, box menu. And a little feedback sheet. Cool, so yeah, here's all the stuff. So let's head on into the kitchen and let's cook up a storm. So I've decided to go with chicken, sausage and beans. It's got all your good stuff in there like beef collagen, you know, chicken fat, chicken water, yeah, chicken skin, rusk, all the good stuff. So yeah, let's get her in the pot and get cooking. Let's get her in the pan. Guys. So there's the other one. They're quite thick. Smelling good already, guys. Smelling good. Would have thought there'd be a few more beans in there, but hey ho. Smells good so far. So here it is, guys, the final product. 2 big thick chicken sausages in here and real stodgy beans. I don't know why, but I was expecting more beans, but here it is. And straight off the bat I'm getting that smell of those all day breakfast cans you used to get. So they are disgusting, so I can't say I'm looking forward to it. It doesn't smell great. Yeah, it said on the packet you can eat it hot or cold. Decided to warm it up. Yeah, I've got the old spork that coming with it, and to drink, I've gone for the cola flavoured powder. So let's crack that in now. Will it taste like roller cola? That's what I'm guessing. Whoa! Give it a stir. Nice and bitty. Right, let's let that dissolve while we tuck into some delicious looking chicken and beans. I don't know if you want to get a shot of that. So yeah, going in. Cheers. Okay. Interesting. Wow, the texture on that. It just like cut straight through. Yeah, okay. It really does taste like them cheap meat that you get in the sausage and beans cans. The all day breakfast. Let's try the beans. Beans are okay, the beans are good. They're a bit more like Branston than they are Heinz. Kind of like almost like a smoky kind of flavour. You know what? I'm eating it. It's terrible. It is terrible food. Like, if I was out there fighting in the army and I got this, I'd be a bit pissed off, to be fair. The lad who gave me these said that you kind of like swap your different rations with, like, say if there's the American army there, you can trade for things, save up. Some things are worth more than others. I think these would probably be on the bottom of the pile for me. Yeah, just cheap tasting, kind of flavourless. Let's hit it up with this little mini bottle of Tabasco, see if that helps. Okay. That's better. That's 10 times better. Good bit of kick. Yeah, I'd have to have about 10 of these on me. Smother it in. That does take it up a level, to be fair. Anyway, let's try this. This looks like a pint. Good head on it. Yeah, cheers. Whoa. Whoa. That's strong. Yeah, it's not fizzy, but kind of tastes like cola flavoured, like Hubba Bubba, like cheap Coke flavoured sweets. Yeah, very sweet. tangy. Maybe I should have diluted it in more water, I don't know, but I struggled to drink a whole pint of that. So without the Tabasco sauce, I'd be giving it a pretty low score, guys, I gotta be honest. I'd be giving it, you know, 1.5 out of 5. But with the Tabasco, I suppose I'll be generous because it is for the old the armed forces, so they're doing a good job out there. So let's give it a 3 out of 5. So we're moving on to pudding now. And for pudding, I've got the lemon isotonic drink. And it gives you all kind of instructions here. Drink 200ml 10 minutes before activity, drink 300ml at regular intervals during the sport and activity, and drink 100ml at regular intervals after sports in the next 5 minutes. So I don't think I'm going to be doing any sports today, but still give it a try. And to go with that, we've got biscuits fruit. Trying to get some things here. Anyway, and this is date and strawberry fruit bar, so hopefully this will keep me regular. Let's crack this open first, eh? Okay, little strawberry fruit bar here. Oh, looks like a dog treat. Oh yeah, you can taste the dates. Not getting much strawberry. Date paste 71%, strawberry from powder concentrate 17%. That's a pass. 1 out of 5. Let's check out these fruit biscuits. Loving the packaging on these. Okay, some of them are a bit broken up here. Try and find a one full. Smell kind of like gingerbread. Yeah, it's like gingerbread. Nice and crisp. So what could be good with these? I bet the peanut butter. Right now. So guys, I'm back with the peanut butter. It's a smooth peanut butter. Roasted peanuts 90%. You know, these should be good. So let's open her up. Not a big fan of peanut butter, but I think this might. Ooh. Okay, it's a bit watery. You know, without oils separated maybe. Let's spread it on there. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, not bad. Bit oily, but it's alright. These are good. 4 out of 5. Yeah, stick them to the roof of your mouth. Good peanut butter. Wash it down with some isotonic lemon drink. Not bad. 4 out of 5. So thanks for watching, y'all. Like I said, these are a bit uncertain times at the moment, so stay sensible, stay safe, phone your loved ones. I've been your snackhead cowboy. Thanks for watching.